Okay, look what I got in the mail. My VLEDs came in. I'm ecstatic over this. This is one of the best LED companies for lighting. This set right here is for my tail lights for my truck. This is the V6 Triton set, and this is the best of the best. They're beautiful. The connections are easy, no crazy wiring. They even have resistors to stop the hyper flashing, and you just plug and play. They even give you the double-sided tape for the resistors. And this right here plugs right into where your bulbs would go, so you don't have to do no special splicing or anything. They even give you the electric grease to keep corrosion down, and they also give you a sleeve that you need a heat gun for. With, you need the heat gun to, make it nice and snug so it'll be waterproof. This is the other package and the other resistor for the other side. And this right here is just beautiful beauty. Lovely texture. This is the V6 Triton once again. This autofocus, trying to get it to focus, but the detail is beautiful on this. These work good. I had them in my other car, and pretty much they lasted well past 3-4 years, and I used it every day. So once again, you can go to VLED.com. They got lights for just about every vehicle, and they won't let you down. And I will be installing these right now. Before we go outside, put it in the vehicle, you have to set it up. This is the bulb, and right here is the other tools and things. There's a collar that goes on with the different, they give you these to keep water from getting in it. Everyone's vehicle is different, so if your collar has a 3-prong, you have to put the collar on right here where my fingernail is, and set it up so it'll go into the socket, and you can twist and it'll lock in place. So it comes with this little collar with the bolts, and it has an Allen key. So you just got to set it up for what your vehicle is set up for. And we're gonna go outside and put this on. Okay, just got through finishing putting on the collar and the 3-way prong, so when I stick it into the light and twist it, it should fit nice and snug. But first I gotta put one of these rubber gaskets on, just to keep it waterproof. I did this one, now I gotta do the second one. I had to go out to the truck and take off my bulb seats that the bulbs sit in, just to prepare it for the VLEDs, the link to sit in. So right now I just gotta put the grease in, and there, seat this on top of the grease, and then put one of these sleeves, the sleeves around it, to make it waterproof. That's just extra, optional. But the thing is, with these sleeves, for my seats, it wouldn't go over normally like it would go with a normal bulb seat, because mine's a has a curve to it. So I had to cut it in half so it could go right over the thing. And now I just gotta get my heat gun and pretty much heat it nice and snug. I'll show you how it ends up. Okay, got the Wagner heat gun. Went and picked it up at Home Depot. It's pretty cool. I use it for other projects and things. And I'm gonna pretty much melt the sleeve around it. pretty hard to do it holding the camera and everything with one hand. So I'm just gonna have to do it before and after. This is how it looks before. Okay, this is how it ended up coming out. Still hot. Nice and snugged. Nice and waterproof wrapped. Came out pretty good. Now I have to do the next side. Okay. All nice and snugged. Put the sleeves around it. That's autofocus, but you can see nice and snugged. All the internals, the grease is in there, nice and protectant, keeping everything nice. And I had to do a little trimming just to, keep it nice and snugged. Alright, now it's time to pretty much put everything else together and take it out to the truck and put it on. Okay, here it is, everything put together. It's all plugged in and screwed in, no splicing or anything. All I do is plug this into my regular factory wiring and this into the back of my tail light housing. And that's it, I'm pretty much done. Oh, well, these are resistors, the VLR6. I tell you, VLED is no joke when it comes to put this all well put together. These are resistors to stop the hyperflash when I put on my blinkers and stuff. And it comes with the dual-sided tape that goes on the back of the resistor to stick it to my vehicle. And this is the other side, pretty much everything. And this over here, these are extra, waterproofing. Might as well say it's a sleeve that goes around the base of the light bulb right here. And that's it. Just gotta go out there and put it on the truck. I'll show you that, and we'll be done. Okay, I'm out here at the truck. This is the housing. And I'm gonna put one of this goes in here. And this harness part goes to the back of that. And I'm pretty much done after that. I have to do both sides and that's it. Okay, it's all hooked up into the housing. Now all I gotta do is stick this resistor somewhere. And I was test fitting it. This resistor gets real hot. It even says it on the side. It cautions you about the heat. Super hot. But you have to put it somewhere where it won't melt any wires or anything. Put it on the car somewhere. Now I see why it says hot. I was doubting it, but it's serious. Alright, I'll let you. Alright, we're all said and done. Got those nice VLEDs up in there, all finished. I love the delay and the flash. I always love the LED flash like that. Looks like we're done here, folks. Thanks for watching.
Silky B.